Good evening, everybody. 7:37, 6 seconds, Sunday, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. This is the drawing for the Marvel Superheroes 12, first Captain Marvel, and 13, first Carol Danvers. As you can see from the photos, the 13 is pretty nice. The 12 just makes it a set. Over here are the 17 filled spots. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 14. I'm going to randomize 14 times. Name at the top of the list gets both books. I will get them out in tomorrow, Monday's mail. Best of luck. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here comes the final one. 14, spot 6, Aaron Grant. Congratulations. Time is 7:38. 7 seconds.